So I believe Mario is next up.
Okay, so I wanted to take this chance to show you one of the smaller features that we developed during the year. It's called the IxTheo Newsfeed Aggregator. And actually what we do is we're based on RSS feeds. Of course, lots of browsers have removed their native support for RSS feeds, but there are still lots of RSS feeds around and actively maintained. And there are also lots of plugins, even for the browsers that deprecated RSS support, to read RSS feeds, and also standalone RSS readers. So basically what we do is we have a list of aggregated blogs that we harvest regularly. We put all the articles for that blogs in the database, and we have multiple options to export them. Of course, there's the full view where you can see all of the articles of the feeds sorted by their publish date, basically. We have that on our front end. We also have a little panel on our landing page as part of many panels of the landing page, where you can see the first 5 newest articles, and you are able to jump to the full view. Also, you have multiple other possibilities to use this the aggregator. You can also personalize the feed. That means you can sub-select a certain amount of feeds out of the big feed and then generate it for yourself. And for that one, you're also able to not only view that feed as RSS or as a HTML view if you don't have a RSS reader installed, but you can also select to be notified via email over the newest feed entries. So basically, that's a good way to keep up to date with all the news, because we don't only see ourselves as a tool to for people to search for literature, but also to keep up with the latest literature and also the latest news from certain web pages. Yeah, and configuration is pretty easy. Basically, just register the feeds in the database. There are some additional options you can set for each feed. For example, if you want to skip certain titles by a regex, some editorials or whatever that sometimes are posted in a feed that you may not want to have listed. And that's pretty much already it. You can add a FAF icon to each feed where it is which is added to the view in the HTML, for example. So we found this a pretty nice feature and pretty useful. And if any one of you has any interest in using that, reusing the feature, just get in touch with us. Maybe we can find a way to contribute the code or help you in any way if you plan to do something similar. And that's already it.